Do you like extra income? Today, I'll show you how to use the AI text-to-speech function using Descript. In this video, I'll practically demonstrate how to create spoken videos that gain views and can be monetized on YouTube. All of this in just minutes with the help of artificial intelligence and for free. In today's demo, I'll be creating a YouTube video with a book summary. These videos are very popular on social media and make good money. For example, the channel Escaping Ordinary earns over $5,000 monthly from YouTube ads alone, not to mention the commissions from sales of reviewed books on Amazon. Content creation. To create video content, I use the ChatGPT tool with a simple prompt. Create a text with a maximum of 200 words describing practical tips that an ordinary person can immediately incorporate into their life from the book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Text to speech. Now, I click on New, then Audio Project, and copy the content from ChatGPT. Then I click on Add Speaker and select one of the 8 stock AI speakers. I can listen to the voice using the play button. I choose the deep voice of Dawn. Descript also offers different voice tones. To access this option, click on the speaker label and then the 3 dots at the bottom. Then you can select a specific tone and click on it to choose. Before we proceed further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Extra Income. Also, write a comment on what other tools you would like to review. Thanks. And don't forget that the sky is the limit. Adding scenes. Using the slash symbol, I can divide the text into scenes. Then, I'll add media from the library to these scenes. I can add my own media or choose from Descript's wide library, which offers videos, GIFs, pictures, and audio. Adding to a scene is very simple. Just click on the selected medium, and it will be added to the chosen scene. I can view all media by clicking on Show Timeline at the bottom of the screen. Adding captions. Now, just highlight the text using the mouse or by pressing Ctrl+A. At the top, I click on the letter T icon and then Captions. The voice transcript is automatically generated into the video. I can format it on the right side of the Descript application. In this panel, we find the settings for all scenes, including effects, transitions, and animations. Video settings. Once I am satisfied with the result, I click on Publish at the top of the application and switch to the Export tab. Then I can set the resolution and quality of the export and click the Export button. Now, all that's left is to upload the video to YouTube. Let's see what the final video looks like, all done in 5 minutes of work.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Understand assets versus liabilities. Identify what puts money in your pocket versus what takes money out and focus on acquiring assets. Financial education. Invest time in learning about finances, investment strategies, and market trends. Income streams. Cultivate multiple streams of income, especially passive ones that do not require active labor, such as rental income or investments. Savvy spending. Be mindful of your expenditures. Spend on necessities and invest the rest. Risk management. Don't shy away from investing due to fear of losses. Educate yourself to make informed risk.
What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching today's video on the Extra Income channel. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our next interesting video.